So I just want to make a quick video on the Showcast 100 for the encoder portion. If you're having any issues with streaming, the recording on the SD card, if you're having troubles finding the IP of the unit, or just anything related to the encoder you're having trouble with, you can't connect, stuff like that, want to make sure we could do a hard reset on the encoder, okay? If this is the last step, doing a hard reset, please note doing a hard reset will erase all settings and it will put back the unit to DHCP if you have a static IP as well, okay? So please note doing a hard reset will erase settings and revert the encoder back to DHCP, okay? But again, this is mainly the last step in case you're struggling with the encoder IP, can't find it, or you can't log into the encoder, streaming issues, recording issues, any of that nature. This would help you clear that encoder, okay? So while the unit is on, not streaming and not recording, all solid white, you want to hold the record and stream buttons at the same time, okay? Gonna demonstrate that now. Please hold the record and stream. You keep holding, as you see they're flashing red. You're gonna keep holding until they all turn red. Once they all turn red, you let go. It's gonna keep flashing. It's boot cycling itself. It's gonna clear off. It's gonna factory default as if it just came from the factory, okay? So let it finish that. And then once the encoder goes back to solid white, let it sit for about a minute or two, just that way it could establish communication with your network, get its IP, get established, and communicate, okay? So let it sit, okay? Now it's solid white. Again, at this point, let it sit for about a minute or two. Then use the device finder to find the IP. If you're on a Windows machine, we have a device finder you could download. If you're on a Mac, you might want to use something like LAN scan to scan the IP for the unit. Other than that, you'll have to find the IP after that. Once you're done factory default, go ahead and log in and try again. Other than that, that's how you factory default the Showcast encoder. Thank you.